In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Yahoo emails in just a few simple steps. Whether you're worried about losing important messages or you just want to keep a secure copy of your inbox somewhere else, this guide will walk you through everything you need to do to safely back up your Yahoo Mail. First, open your browser and head over to login.yahoo.com. Enter your Yahoo email address carefully, click Next, then type in your password and sign in. Once you're logged into your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. That's your settings button. From the drop-down, select More Settings. On the left-hand side of the new page, click Mailboxes. This section lets you connect other email accounts for backup or forwarding. Here, you'll want to add the email address where you'd like to send your Yahoo backups, for example, your Gmail address. Type your Gmail address carefully, then click Verify. Now, go to your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a verification email from Yahoo asking you to confirm that you allow Yahoo Mail to forward emails to your Gmail. Open the message and follow the link provided to complete the verification process. Once verified, return to your Yahoo Mail settings and click Save to confirm the changes. From now on, all new emails that arrive in your Yahoo account will automatically be forwarded and stored in your Gmail inbox. This ensures you always have a duplicate copy of your important emails, even if something goes wrong with your Yahoo account. To make this process even safer, it's a good idea to occasionally download your emails manually using tools like Yahoo Mail's export option or an email client such as Outlook or Thunderbird. This creates an offline backup that you can access anytime, even without an internet connection. Once you've completed these steps, your Yahoo messages will be safely backed up on your flash drive, giving you complete peace of mind knowing your important emails are stored offline. This means that even if something happens to your Yahoo account or you lose internet access, you'll still have a secure copy of your messages and attachments that you can open anytime, anywhere. It's a good habit to back up your emails regularly, especially if you rely on Yahoo Mail for business or personal communication. By doing so, you're not just protecting your data, but also making it easier to organize and transfer information between different devices when needed. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created a reliable backup of your Yahoo Mail right on your flash drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and email management tips.